Can I make a quick rebuttal to the last point?
No need, counsel. The presiding officer will make a ruling. The court will allow it, given that it is for the purpose of establishing pattern and/or behavior on the part of the witness. But to be clear, that whatever she says with respect to acts committed by her in relation to the vice president now, while she was a mayor in Davao City, is not part of this impeachment trial and will not in any way add to the charges that has been filed and are pending before this court under the 4 articles of impeachment.
Pang-apat, siya rin ang nagsilbing SDO para sa confidential funds noon ni Mayor Sara Duterte sa Davao City mula taong 2019 hanggang 2022. Pang-lima, siya ang naging staff member sa Davao City Administrator's Office sa pagitan ng mga taong 2016 at 2022 at ng Davao City Budget Office sa panunungkulan noon ni Mayor Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Pang-anim, sa last quarter o huling 3 buwan ng 2022, ginastos ng OVP or Office of the Vice President ang halagang 125 million pesos na confidential funds sa loob lamang ng 11 araw sa ilalim at pamamahala at pangangasiwa ng Vice Presidente nang walang liquidation, nang hindi kumpleto o walang sapat na dokumento na nagpapatunay sa pagbabayad. Pang-7, pang-8. Inatasan ng Vice Presidente ang witness na i-encash ang kabuuhang halaga na 500 million pesos or kalahating bilyon noong ika-20 ng Disyembre 2022, ika-6 ng Pebrero, ika-25 ng Abril, at ika-14 ng Hulyo 2023. I skip number 7, sorry. Sa tatlong 3 quarters ng 2023, ginastos ng OVP ang halagang 375 million na confidential funds sa ilalim ng pamamahala at pangangasiwa ng Vice Presidente nang walang liquidation, nang hindi wastong liquidation nang hindi kompleto or walang sapat na mga dokumento na nagpapatunay sa pagbabayad. Let's go to number 9. Ang lahat ng confidential funds na inilaan sa OVP ay na-withdraw in cold cash na nagkakahalagang kalahating bilyong piso noong December 20, 2022, February 6, April 25, at July 14, 2023. Pang-10, inutusan ni VP Sara na ibigay ang kabuuhang 500 million pesos, 500 million pesos in cold cash sa security officer ng OVP na si Colonel Lachica na hindi isang accountable officer, isang paglabag sa batas. Sa Joint Circular 2015-01, pang-11, ang ginagawang disbursements ng confidential funds sa ilalim ng Office of the Vice President. Ang ginawang disbursements ay maraming bahid o namumutakti sa pagsuway at paglabag sa Joint Circular 2015-01. 12, bigo ang respondent, Vice President, na maliquidate ang kabuuhang halaga na 500 million pesos na pera ng bayan 500 million pesos alinsunod sa demand o kahingian ng Joint Circular 2015-01. Pang-13, dahil dito, maituturing na ginastos ng Vice Presidente sa pansariling gamit at kapakinabangan ang 500 million pesos na pera ng bayan na confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President. Lastly, Your Honor, please, tutukuyin ng witness ang mga dokumentong may kaugnayan sa mga aligasyong nakasaad sa Articles of Impeachment. That's for the offer.
Comment, Attorney Bacuel?
Your Honor, for purposes number 2 and 3, we are willing to stipulate. We note that for purpose 3, this was already part of the admissions of the parties in the pretrial order. And it's contained in Part 1A, Item 2.8 of the pretrial order, Your Honor. For purpose number 4 and 5, as regards the confidential funds in Davao City and the position of the witness as SDO of Davao City, we would like to object on the ground of irrelevance, Your Honor, considering that for the simple reason that the confidential funds in Davao City are not part of the allegations in the articles of impeachment. So there's really no fact in issue to be proved by the testimony of the witness, Your Honor. And for all the other purposes, Your Honor, these are subject to cross-examination.
What does Attorney Libutan say with respect to counsel stipulation to your second and third offer?
The stipulation is well taken, Your Honor, please. So therefore, it is established na si Ms. Acosta ay ngayon nanunungkulan bilang Vice Presidential Staff Officer 6, saka nagsilbi siyang Special Disbursing Officer noong taong 2022 saka 2023. However, Your Honor, please, yung punto na walang relevance, yung naging pagsisilbi as SDO para sa confidential funds mula 2019 saka 2022, saka I think yun, di ba? Your Honor, please, we beg to disagree. It is very much relevant in today's proceedings, considering, Your Honor, please, that it is her experience as the SDO of Davao City in those inclusive years that led the Vice President to also bring her to the office of the Vice President and do the things they did in Davao City, this time with the money of the office of the Vice President. That is very much relevant to the prosecution's case, Your Honor, please.
May I respond, Your Honor?
Yes, before the presiding officer makes a ruling, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. The rebuttal presented by the prosecution is wrong, considering that there's no such allegation in the articles of impeachment, Your Honor. Moreover, Your Honor, it is clear in the ruling of the Supreme Court in Duterte versus House of Representatives that the basis of any charge must be for acts committed in relation to the impeachable office and within the term of the impeachable officer, Your Honor.
Your Honor, can I make a quick rebuttal to the last point?
No need, counsel. The presiding officer will make a ruling. The court will allow it, given that it is for the purpose of establishing pattern and or behavior on the part of the witness. But to be clear, that whatever she says with respect to acts committed by her in relation to the Vice President now, while she was a mayor in Davao City, is not part of this impeachment trial and will not in any way add to the charges that has been filed and are pending before this court under the 4 articles of impeachment, as previously ruled by the chair in previous requests for subpoena, for example. However, may I ask counsel further to abbreviate the proceedings? Attorney Baquel, are you willing to stipulate that the witness is a hostile witness, and therefore counsel may ask leading questions already instead of qualifying the witness as a hostile witness?
No, Your Honor. The prosecution must first qualify the witness as hostile, Your Honor.
Then qualifier, Attorney Ligutan.
We shall.
Qualifier.
Thank
You
you,
may
sir.
proceed when you're ready.
Thank you.